Looking for a solution that transforms ordinary concrete into a work of art? Introducing the RetroPlate system, where strength meets beauty. The RetroPlate system is a proven process that densifies, seals, and polishes concrete. It's not just about looks, it's about long-lasting durability. With RetroPlate, you get a floor that's stain-resistant, easy to maintain, and dust-proof, making it perfect for residential, commercial, and industrial spaces. Plus, it's UV-stable, so the beauty lasts for years, even in direct sunlight. The process starts with our specialized densifier, which penetrates deep into the concrete. We then polish the surface to achieve a high-gloss finish that's smooth and reflective. Finally, RetroGuard is applied to seal and protect, enhancing stain resistance and adding an extra layer of protection. Experience how BUE Enterprise elevates your concrete with RetroPlate system. Whether it's your home or business, we create exceptional concrete finishes. Elevate the look and durability of your space with BUE Enterprise. Connect with us today to explore how our expertise in concrete surfaces can bring lasting beauty and strength to your environment.